So this is a soft pink girl little makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then continue watching this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. Hello beauties! Oh my god, let's do this soft girl little makeup tutorial. It is a little bit like the trend of the e-girl makeup tutorial that I did a while ago, but this one is very soft, very cute, and very pink, literally everywhere on my face. So I put something blue to really contrast with it, and of course my camera is a little bit forward back. Tell me if you like this angle, if you like to see a little bit more of my upper body and my body language in general. Of course, for the makeup look, for everything, I'm gonna be coming closer for you to see more my makeup and everything, so don't worry about this. First of all, we will start with the primer, and I always take this one, is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Very good. So 1.5 pumps, and I spread it across my face. As you can see, I kind of broke out here, everywhere. Oh my god, I'm so tired of this, but it's gonna go away. Hopefully. So let's put a little bit of color in our eyebrows. I'm gonna be taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, so this one right here, in the color Ash Brown. Brush up and fill in. Also, if you want to have a tutorial very detailed for the eyebrows, of course it's going to be up here and down below. I did that just a while ago, this week actually, so you can go check it out. It's about grooming, shaping, and filling in the eyebrows to have the perfect eyebrows that you want. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so leaving my eyebrows like this, the concealer on my acne, now it is time to go for the eye. So of course, I'm going to be preparing my P. Louise base and my tape, and then we will go straight into the color because it's important. I thought for this look, because it was pink, it would be really fitting to mix and match the Neon Obsession Huda Beauty palette with the blushes that I will be using for my face, just so everything is unified and very pretty. So this palette right here, super cute. With the M441 from Morphe, I will be going into these 3 shades that I just showed you, and I will be blending these out just really softly on my eye and on my crease. So we will mix these 3 shades, and it will create a new peachy pink shade that will be beautiful for my skin tone. You start off with the palest shade, you put it over the crease, then you go into the a little bit deeper, and then you go into the crease, and you go with the darkest pink, which is that really neon pink, and we will pack and blend that shade with the rest. So this we will put on the eyelid and then blend it with the rest, so it creates a nice little contrast with the eyes and a beautiful look. This eyeshadow is pretty cute, so we'll go straight into the liner. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Life Liner and put some on my hand, and then go with a little brush because I do prefer having a smaller applicator, and I can control also the amount of product that I put on my brush and on my eyes. I go with the Morphe M251, and I will draw my liner, just a little one, to make it very cute and nice, just to highlight my eye a little bit. This is the first liner, and then I'm gonna go do the other one, and I'll be right back. So my liner is done. This is just really a simple little look. We will put the highlight in the inner corner and on top of the brow bone when we are finished. I'm just gonna remove my tape, and it creates a soft little liner. I don't want anything crazy because I want to stay cute and soft, and for this soft girl little look. And of course, one is thicker than the other. But with my hooded eyes, it's very hard to get 2 liners that are symmetrical. But yes. And we will go to the complexion. I'm not going to do anything crazy contour because we want to be softy and girly. And of course, you know, when you're younger, you don't really have contour. So we will go into the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 to do our complexion. Just a tiny bit of foundation, and of course we'll go with the brush, the M439 from Morphe. And then we want to add some concealer. So I will be taking the 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and I will be taking it with a little brush, a buffer brush, and it is the M173 from Morphe. Placing it just a little bit under our eyes in between the brows, on the nose, where the cupid's bow, and on the chin, where you would usually highlight with highlighter, because we will highlight these areas, making it soft and cute. So let's go with this little brush. And of course, where the areas are bigger, I like to take my M439 brush, so it's easier for me to blend in these areas. Then we go with the mini brush and we go straight on her nose. And I like this brush because it is very precise and I can blend in specific areas. So on my nose, under my eyes, everywhere basically. I will set under my brow, everywhere, with the MAC Water Weight Pressed Powder and a little brush, which is the E48. And it's like the perfect under eye powder brush. So I really like it. Setting the under eye, making sure that there's no creases whatsoever. And you press that powder into your skin. And it's going to add a little bit more coverage as well. It's perfect for like in between my brows, as you can see. Alright, so this is done. We will continue with the eyes. So I'm going to be taking it back to Huda Beauty palette with the softest peach little color, and I will put it under my eyes. And I'm taking the M152, which is a really soft, small brush. And we will finish the eyes like this. Alright, so this is done. So now one of the best part is going into the blush and putting it literally everywhere. And of course, I'm going to be putting a little bit of bronzer on here because I think I'm going to start with a bronzer. So it's going to be the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I will be putting it with the brush E4. And just putting a little bit of color because I don't want to just have pink. I'm not contouring. I'm just adding some warmth to my face. Adding it right here. Just adding some warmth. Because after that, we will add some pink. And I don't want this to be too warm tones. I have to put more for you to see it properly. But I think this is very nice. So now we will jump right into the blush. I'm not going to put anything on my nose because we will concentrate it on the blush. So, of course, I'm going to be going into the NYX Sweet Cheeks Mae in Citrine Rose. And of course, I'm going with the brush, the M405. And we will literally put this everywhere. It's more orangey than anything else. I'm gonna have to add different colors because I don't want this to be too orange, you know what I mean? But for now, this will be very cute. And then I bring it here in the middle. And that's the blush. The blush is very important. So we're gonna bring it here. And I'm going to bring it on my nose. Here on the chin. And I think for this one, I put enough. And then I'm going to go into the Marcel blush and place it on top, blending it. And it's very soft. It's more pinkish than the other one. So this one is going to add a little bit of shimmer as well. So it creates like a nice little glow from within. I should do my hair after, not before this. Oh my god. So what do you think of the blush? Do you think it's too much? Do you think I should put something else? I do think it's very pretty, very cute. It really enhances my cheeks. It makes them rounder, better, cute. Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the face. And of course, I like to use the Moonchild palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills just because they have some colors in it. And I'm going to be going into the shade Pink Heart because there's pink tones in it. With, of course, the M501 for the brush. And packing it on and then blending it right here. And of course, this will make my skin very glowy. So I bring it in the blush and I go around like this because I don't want to cut it too short because when I go around, it's not going to be pretty. Then after that, we can add more blush. So it's cute in between the brows here. I think that's enough highlighter. I think it's very cute. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting some mascara. I'm gonna go into the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara just because this one, I'm gonna be putting a little bit of false lashes to enhance my natural curls just because cute girls do have long lashes and I think that I'm a little bare and I can't be going out like that. So let's go into the mascara. So we can't really see my lashes at the top, but that's okay. So before I do the lashes, of course, I want to do the lips. So I had ideas of taking 2 lipsticks from Kat Von D, which one is Beloved and the other one is Melancholia. And I'm going to be mixing them both. So the Beloved one will be at the outside of my lips and the other one will be inside. So it's going to create a nice pink ombre lip. We will start with Beloved and put it on our lips. And then I will put the other shade in the middle of my lips, so the shade Melancholia. And then this is super blended, super cute. And we will put the lashes. So I'm gonna go into the Ferrera Beauty lashes and put them on my eyes. I feel like the blush kind of disappears in my skin. The more I have it, the more it goes into my foundation and it just disappears. I don't know if it's me or I'm just getting used to it. I don't know. And then it is now time for the final touches. So that means the highlight over the brow bone and the inner corner and everything. So I think we will take back the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonshine palette and going into Pink Heart again and place it on top of the brow and in the inner corner as well. Then I will put a little bit of gloss and I will take the Filler Instinct plumping lip polish from NYX Cosmetics and apply it to my lips. And then we will take the Morphe setting spray and place that so everything stays on all day long for this cute soft girl. We want that dewy skin, that perfect skin, and then that redness and that cuteness for the pink look. So this is my makeup look for the soft pink girl. If ever you liked it, don't forget to like and comment down below what you think about it. And yeah, so that is it. And this is the final result. It's very cute and nice. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. And if you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.